rising up. Took my ride. And he's watching us all with the eye. When you're lost in the dark, fighting off the tears you don't have to bathe away.
Babe, today, I'm marrying you again, not just as the one I love, but the one I choose every single day. We have already said I do in a simple civil ceremony, but today, before God, our family, and everyone we love, I choose you all over again with deeper understanding of who you are.
To my lovely Charmin, truly, all I ever wished for in a woman was a beauty, kindness, and a talent for cooking. But the Lord has truly blessed me with so much more than I could have ever imagined.
Sa'yo na. Hindi na pala. Ay, sorry. Namali ako.
Yung corona na?
Para pang display sa nyo, sa table nyo.
Charmaine, Jongkin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jongtil na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father.
You are my safe place. Whenever I feel stress, you become my comfort. You listen to all my worries and complaints and fear without making me feel like I am too much.
$11,000
Pogi ba ako, pre?
isang daang layo
Mamaya na. Mamaya na.
kung saan ang oras ay di magtatagpo.
Sabi sa'yo, pre!
Oy! Oy! Nintendo Switch!
Kalaro na! Ay, di, gagawa
Ano to?
laro.
Lagi ako pinapagalitan ng paglalaro. Pero isa rin pa rin siyang konsitidor. Biruin mo yon. So, thank you very much dito sa Nintendo Switch. Yun, sobrang appreciated. Maraming salamat. I love you.
Babe, I vow to love you not because it's easy, but because it's you. And now, I can't wait to continue writing our love story forever. I love you so much.
Today, for the rest of my life, I promise to cherish you, to honor you, and to always remind you how incredible you are. I promise to support your dreams, to meet challenges with patience, and to always strive to fill our lives with laughter and embark on countless adventures by your side.
Iyong yakap ang laging hanap. Natutulala lagi sa alpaap.
Ayan, hindi mo nadadalhin yung mabigat mo lang.
Yay! New tablet! Mamaya reward.
Sa wakas, nakikita na kitang lumalakad sa altar papalapit sa akin. I love you so much, and I promise you forever. See you later.
Bibitawan ang kamay at hahayaan makalipad sa iyong kinaroroonan. Maghihintay, mag-aabang sa kinabukasan. Susubukan ang ating pagmamahalan. Bibitawan
Magbahalang kayo, maging tapat kayo sa isa't isa, at maging responsable. At huwag ninyong kalilimutan ang pagtawag sa Diyos, sapagkat ang Diyos ang ating lakas, lalo na sa panahon ng pagsubok.
pangakong babalik, hahanap ng daan makalapit lang. Sasabi, pangakong babalik, hahanap ng daan makalapit lang. Makalapit lang kahit 11,100 layo. Panasan ng luha magsasama rin.